I can't seem to fix this issue, so I'm just gonna Google it. Okay. Why can't I fix this issue? Stack Overflow should help. No, that's not my question. What do you mean duplicate? Alright, let's go. Ah, great, no errors. All time to write code. Ah, nice! Payday's today! Ah, only $1 billion. I mean, I guess that'll do. Let's see if I can pay rent today. Oh, I'm homeless now. Yay! I will make a new program and will sell it for billions. I will work with Zuckerberg, Gates, Musk, and everyone. Linus Torvalds will bow upon me. I will be a god. Alright, so far I've written a Hello World program. My salary is only $100K? Nah, too little. Oh, 10K, that's a month, right? Wait, that's 10K yearly? My game will be the next GTA 5. It will sell more than 1 billion copies. I will be so rich. Wow, 3 people downloaded my Flappy Bird clone. I will have a 24-hour programming session. No stopping. Woohoo! Time to have a 24-hour programming session. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Hey, did you know that only 4% of the people watching are actually subscribed? Crazy, isn't it? So if you can, please do. Anyways, enough selling out. Zybkai out.